Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Padmanabhan. In this session, we will discuss about 25 common mistakes. I need an advice from you. ADVIC, advice, is the noun form of ADVISC, advice, verb. Right? That is not the mistake here. Just for your information, I have mentioned that I need an advice from you. Advice itself is an uncountable noun. So, an is not required there. Where do we use a or an, the indefinite articles, before singular countable nouns? Advice is uncountable, so an is not required there. Second, he is good man. Good man. We are talking about only one man. So an article should be there. He is a good man. Right? Next one. I have been studying at an university college. Here, though university begins with a vowel U, it sounds as Y-O-O, university. So we use a here, right? There are a lot of equipments in the laboratory. Equipments. There are, verb is correct, a lot of equipments in the laboratory. Equipment is an uncountable noun. So no necessity of equipments. Equipment itself is an uncountable noun. There are a lot of equipment in the laboratory. Right? Now, I saw an cow yesterday. Cow begins with a consonant. It is a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant C. So we use a here. I saw a cow yesterday. The teacher loves the students. I love my children. The teacher loves her students. Love. Right? Next one. The sun rises in the east. The sun. There is only one sun in the universe. So it is a singular noun. The sun. The sun rises in the east. Right? Now, the children are playing football. The children's. Child, plural is children. No necessity of S then. The children are playing football. Correct? Okay. Now next. A lot of women attended the function. Woman, women. Singular, plural. So S is not required here. A lot of women attended the function. The men's are more courageous than the women's. Man singular, men is plural. So here men's is incorrect. It should be the men are more courageous than the women. Not women's. Woman, women. Okay? Now, when Jacob went to see a movie yesterday, he has seen his friend. There are two actions referred here. Jacob went to see a movie yesterday. He has seen his friend. The first one is referred in past tense. The second one should also be in the past. When Jacob went to see a movie yesterday, he saw his friend. Okay. Next one. Nina eated the food. Eat, ate, eaten. These are the three forms. So, Nina ate the food. It should be ate. Okay? Right. John didn't eat food yesterday as he is not hungry. John didn't eat past tense food yesterday as he is not hungry. It should also be in the past then. Yes, he was not hungry. Right? Ritu didn't went to school yesterday. Did go is went. So it should be Ritu didn't go to school yesterday. Correct? Next one. The teacher teach a new lesson. Teach, taught, taught. These are the three forms. So the teacher taught a new lesson today. Right? They has been working since morning. With they, we, I, you, we use have first and second persons. In third persons, he, she, it, we use has. So they have. They have been working since morning. Many people likes to eat rice in Kerala. Many people. That is a plural word. Many people. It should be like. Many people like to eat rice in Kerala. Many people is plural. I usually gets up at 6:30 a.m. I is in the first person. So we use I usually get up. At 6:30 a.m. I usually get up at 6:30 a.m. Next one. John and Jacob lives in London. John is singular, Jacob is singular, but when John and Jacob put together, it is plural. So John and Jacob live in London. Next one. Everyone like to study English grammar. Everyone. Each individual in a group. So everyone is singular. So it should be everyone likes to study English. You went to the market yesterday? Question mark. It's a question. Suppose the sentence is like this. You went to the market yesterday. That can be correct. But here question mark is given. So when should become did go. Did you go to the market yesterday? Did go is went in answer. Okay. Did you go to the market yesterday? I am working as an office assistant. I am going to school. Means I am on the way to school. After some time I reach at the school. That is a momentary action for a shorter period. Here I am working. I as an office assistant. Today I am working. Tomorrow also I will work. Day after tomorrow also I will work. So it should be I work as an office assistant. Simple present tense. I work as an office assistant. Next one. Rani is having a good friend. With stative verb, we will not use ing form. Rani is having a good friend is incorrect. Rani has a good friend. Next one. I went to the market yesterday and buy a lot of vegetables. Here there are two actions. I went to the market yesterday. I buy a lot of vegetables. Like I went to the market yesterday is in the past tense. So the second should also be in the past. And bought a lot of vegetables. Correct? Next one. Reena has not working at present. Reena has not working at present. Has not is incorrect. It is not. Reena is not working at present. Friends, these are the common mistakes. We will have to take care. Friends, I am sure you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't, please do subscribe and keep the bell button on. If you like my videos, click on to the like icon. We will again meet. Have a nice time.